Hi everyone, thanks for joining our Agrimaster tutorial. Today we'll be going through how to update your billing details and how to view and download your invoice. Let's jump right in. So firstly we'll just open up Agrimaster and then we'll click on our Agrimaster file. We'll just wait for the view billing button to appear and then we'll click on it. If someone is sharing the file with you, you won't see the view billing section and we'll need to log in using the primary account's credentials. And once we're in here, we can see which plan we're on, how much the plan costs, and if you click View Details, you can see a detailed breakdown of the total. So if we go down to here, the payment method, we can add a payment method by clicking on this button. Now it needs to be card details because we use a payments processor called Stripe and they only accept card details. So you can put them in there if you need to. We'll go back. If you need to update your billing information, you can do so here. So we'll click Update Information. And you can decide whether you want to keep this the same as your billing address. If not, you can just go down here and change it. Then we'll go back. And at the very bottom, you'll see your invoice history. So previous invoices you paid. This one's my current one. So if I want to export it, I can click this little button here. And I can choose to either download the invoice, or if I've paid the invoice, I can download the receipt. So I click Download Invoice. And then it will appear here. I can just open the file. And there it is. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help articles or book a one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Have a great day.